In this video, let us solve the 3 marks question which appeared in previous year exam question papers. The chapter taken is Introduction to Trigonometry. The first among this cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. This is 3 marks question taken from model question paper 2023, means this year question paper. So very important question. Now let us take LHS. What is LHS now? They have given it as cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. We cannot see any of the identities here, so now let us change cosecant and secant ratios. What is cosecant A? It is 1 by sin A minus sin A. What is secant A? 1 by cos A minus cos A. Here LCM is sin A. 1 minus sin square A into, here LCM is cos A. 1 minus cos square A. Here we can use the identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A upon sin A. Here also we can use the same identity. So 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A by cos A. Cos A, here one of the cos A we can get cancel. Here sin A and one of the sin A is cancelled. So LHS is equal to sin A into cos A. Let this be equation 1. Now RHS is 1 by tan A plus cot A is equal to, now change tan A into sin A by cos A plus cot A is cos A by sin A. In the denominator, LCM is cos A sin A or sin A cos A. Here sin square A plus cos square A, that is equal to 1 upon sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 by sin A into cos A, that is equal to sin A into cos A. Let this be equation number 2. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Find the value of sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 upon secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. The question is taken from model question paper 2023 and it is a 3 marks question. If you remember the hand trick, you can get the values very easily. One of my previous videos I have explained it. Sin 30. Now what is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus what is the value of tan 45? 1 minus what is the value of cosecant 60? Cosecant ratio is reciprocal of sin ratio. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3 upon secant 30. It is the reciprocal ratio of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So it is 2 by root 3. Cos 60 half plus cot 45. It is 1. That is equal to, here you can observe that LCM is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is the LCM. Here root 3, why you know. Here 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 into 2, 4 upon, here LCM is 2 root 3 as usual. Here 4 plus here root 3 plus here 2 root 3. Here you can cancel 2 root 3, 2 root 3. So you will get here root 3 plus 2 root 3. How much? 3 root 3 minus 4 upon, here also root 3 plus 2 root 3. It is 3 root 3 plus 4. Now rationalize the denominator, means you have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 minus 4. Now you get 3 root 3. In the numerator, it is 3 root 3 minus 4 the whole square 2 times. So here you can use a square minus b square because it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square. This is equal to a square. How much? 3 3 is 9. 9 into 3 whole square. You do 27 plus b square. What is it? 16 minus 2 into a. 2 into 3, 6 root 3 into b. 6 fours are 24 root 3 upon, here 3 root 3 the square. How much? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 4 square 16. That is equal to, denominator it is very easy. Numerator also 27 plus 16 like terms. You can add 7 plus 6 13, 2 plus 1 3, 33 minus 24 root 3. Not 33, it is 43 upon 27 minus 16, 11. It is the answer. The third question is, evaluate 4 sin 30 degree plus tan 48 degree into tan 42 degree minus 3 tan 45 degree. It is 3 marks question taken from model question paper 2022. Now let us have the values. For sin 30 degree plus tan 48 degree into tan 42 degree minus 3 tan 45 degree. That is equal to 4 into sin 30 degree is half plus tan 48 can be rewritten as tan 90 minus 42. 90 degree minus 42 degree. Let us write it as tan 42 degree minus 3 tan 45 degree. It is 1, isn't it? Only this here we have to simplify. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 plus tan 90 minus 42 can be rewritten as cot 42. Why? Tan and cot are complementary ratios. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So, into tan 42 minus 3. Here you can observe that tan and cot are reciprocal ratios also. 1 by tan 42 into tan 42. 1 by tan 42 into tan 42 minus 3. Here you can cancel this and this. So this is 1. 2 plus 1 minus 3. What is it? 0. So the answer is 0. The fourth question is taken from model question paper 2022 and it is 3 marks question. Evaluate 6 cos 60 degree minus sin 30 degree plus sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree. The problem is based on trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. If you know the values, you can directly put it to get the answer. Here, what has been given? 6 cos 60 degree minus sin 30 degree plus sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree. Here we can, what is the value of cos 60? It is 1 by 2 minus sin 30, it is 1 by 2. You can apply here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 since here theta is equal to 45 degree. So instead of sin square 45 plus cos square 45 we can put 1. Here 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 minus half plus 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 minus half. What is it? 3 and half. Or you can also write it as 2 is the LCM. 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 1 7. Both are correct. Fifth question is prove that sin A plus cosecant A the whole square plus cos A plus secant A the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Now let us take LHS. What is LHS? LHS is sin A plus cosecant A the whole square plus cos A plus secant A the whole square. Now we can expand these two by using A plus B whole square formula. Let us apply it. Sin square A square plus B square cosecant square A plus 2AB 2 into sin A into cosecant A. Put bracket, otherwise you will get confused. Here also A plus B whole square formula you have to apply. Cos A cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A into secant A. It is whole, you can club. Now you can club sin square A, cos square A. What plus cos square A. What is it? 1. We have finished these two. Cosecant square A. What can we write? Cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A. 2 sin A into cosecant A. Here you can observe that sin A and cosecant A are reciprocal ratios, so we can cut it. Sin A into cosecant A is equal to 1. So 2 into 1, that is equal to 2, plus we have used it. Secant square A, we can write it as 1 plus tan square A. Here you can observe cos A and secant A are reciprocal ratios. If you multiply, you will get 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Now count 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Let us put equal here also. Now this is cot square A, this is tan square A. Tan square A first. Plus this cot square A, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Sixth question is taken from 2022 main exam. It is 3 marks question. Prove that secant theta into 1 minus sin theta into secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. Now let us take LHS. What is LHS here? Secant theta into 1 minus sin theta into secant theta plus tan theta. Now in the next step, let us convert all the ratios into sine and cosine ratios. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. We know it. Need not change it. 1 minus sin theta. Here secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Our first task is over. Now let it be like this only, 1 by cos theta. Here 1 minus cos theta, sin theta, sin theta. Here we can take LCM, cos theta, 1 plus sin theta. Now let us multiply all these things. What is it? 1 into 1 minus sin theta is 1 minus sin theta. Numerator into numerator. Here 1 plus sin theta. LCM, not LCM, just multiplication. No. Here denominator is 1. Cos theta into cos theta. What is it? Cos square theta. This is equal to apply a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. What is it? A square minus b square. 1 square is 1. Sin theta the whole square is sin square theta by cos square theta. Now you can understand that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to what? This is cos square theta upon cos square theta. You know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Here you can cancel it. It is 1. 1 is RHS, isn't it? Hence proved. The seventh question is taken from supplementary exam 2022 and it is 3 marks question. The question is evaluate 2 cos 90 minus 30 degree plus tan 45 minus root 3 cosecant 60 upon root 3 secant 30 degree plus 2 cos 60 degree plus cot 45. Now let us solve. Let 2 cos 90 minus 30 is equal to 2 into cos 90 minus 30 is sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus root 3 cosecant 60 degree upon root 3 secant 30 degree plus 2 cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Now let us apply the values for it. We know it either by using hand trick or by using table for some specific angles. 2 into sin 30 is half, isn't it? Tan 45 is 1. Root 3 cosecant 60. It is the reciprocal of sin ratio. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So cosecant ratio is cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3 upon root 3 secant 30. 30 degree is how much? It is the reciprocal of cos ratio. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3. 2 cos 60 plus 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45. This is 1. Now let us simplify it. We can cancel root 3 and root 3, 2 and 2 here. What has been remained here? This is 1 plus 1. This is minus 2. This is 2 plus 1. This one is plus 1. Here 2 minus 2. It is 0. 2 plus 1 plus 1. What is it? 4. Something is 0 by something is 0. So the answer is 0 here. The eighth question is taken from 2020 main exam question paper and it is 3 marks question. If x is equal to p tan theta plus q secant theta and y is equal to p secant theta plus q tan theta, then prove that x square minus y square is equal to q square minus p square. Now let us start from LHS, that is x square minus y square. Here x square is, x is p tan theta plus q secant theta, the whole square, minus y is p secant theta plus q tan theta, the whole square. Now let us expand by using a plus b whole square formula. P square tan square theta plus b square is q square secant square theta plus 2ab, 2 into p into q, write algebraic terms first, tan theta secant theta, minus a plus b whole square, p square secant square theta plus q square tan square theta plus 2ab, 2pq secant theta tan theta. You can write it as tan theta secant theta, since commutative property of multiplication holds good. After removal of bracket, you can observe that sign of 2pq tan theta secant theta changes to negative. So here positive, here negative sign. Unlike sign, same term and with unlike sign get cancelled. So now write what has been remained here. P square tan square theta plus q square secant square theta minus here positive negative into positive, p square secant square theta minus here observe minus plus minus q square tan square theta. Now group the terms with secant square theta, that is equal to q square secant square theta minus p square secant square theta. Now group terms with the tan square theta. That is equal to remove secant square theta outside, since it is common, q square minus p square. Here tan square theta is common, p square minus q square. Here observe, here it is q square minus p square, here p square minus q square. We want q square minus p square. So let us change this sign of tan square theta. Then this becomes positive, this becomes negative. Now let us write secant square theta q square minus p square minus tan square theta. Be careful, q square positive, then p square. Now observe, it is common, which is q square minus p square is common. You can open the take it outside the bracket. Q square minus p square. What has been remained inside? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. What is secant square theta minus tan square theta? That is 1. According to the identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That is equal to q square minus p square. This is RHS. Hence proved. Ninth question is taken from 2020 main exam question paper. It is 3 marks question. Prove that cot square 90 minus theta upon tan square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta upon secant square theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to 1 upon sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now what is LHS? Let us write down it. Cot square 90 minus theta upon tan square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta upon secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. Here in this part we can change it as this part. We can change it as tan square 90 minus theta. Why? We know that tan and cot are complementary ratios. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So now let us write cot square theta as tan square theta. Tan upon tan square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta upon secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. Now let us convert all the trigonometric ratios into sin and cos ratios. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Here sin square theta by cos square theta. Upon this tan square theta. Also same. What is it? Sin square theta by cos square theta. Minus 1 plus what is cosecant square theta? Cosecant square theta is 1 by sin square theta upon what is secant square theta? 1 by cos square theta. Secant square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta minus what is cosecant square theta? We have already written it 1 by sin square theta. Now take LCM of the denominator. Numerator, it is as such. Let us write it as such. Sin square theta upon cos square theta upon. Here let us take LCM of 1 and cos square theta. What is it? Cos square theta. So now let us write cos square theta is LCM square theta. Sin square theta minus cos square theta plus this one as such 1 by sin square theta upon here LCM is LCM of the denominator is cos square theta into sin square theta. Here sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now let us simplify. This and this can get cancelled. You know why, isn't it? Sin square theta get cancelled. So in the next step, it is very important step. I'll mark the things to be written here. Sin square theta plus this cos square theta goes up. Here LCM is sin square theta minus cos square theta. Observe once again, I'll tell LCM is sin square theta minus cos square theta. This cos square theta goes to the numerator here. Now let us write. It will be remain as such sin square theta this one is plus, this goes to the numerator cos square theta upon this is LCM sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now you got the result, isn't it? What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? It is 1. 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta. What is it? RHS. So proved, hence proved.